Yan, we're inside now, the Peperitos. Yan, oh. First time kakain ako dito. Yan. My first time here. Wow, I have Coca-Cola here. Love it.
You want rice?
There is rice or no?
There is. You want burger combo? Like fried chicken wings? What do you want?
I think I want...
Try the other.
Yeah. You look different.
It's my first time here.
Hello.
Say hi to my vlog. Yeah. So this is a Peperitos. Yeah. Let's try other meals for today. So I think I want to try with rice. Kuya, it's not spicy.
Rice is not spicy.
Good, good. Which one?
What do you want? Very nice.
So I will try the chicken peri-peri rice platter. Yeah. And so let's see. Yeah, that one. Chicken peri-peri rice platter. Let's try that one. They have the Coke here. Nice. So Peritos Flame in the house. So there is also, meron din silang mga sweets, guys. Wow!
Just give me one combo.
Malaki yung space, guys. Oh, di ba? Hanggang yun nila ang ambience nila. Nice here. Okay. Yeah, right. I changed my mind, guys. I will not take the chicken peri-peri rice platter because it will take 20 minutes before it's done. And we're having rush. Ang galing, nadudugo ako. Nadudugo ilong ko. Idol po kasi si Madam Dex eh. Grabe. We're running out of time. Yun, nag-gets ko rin. Running out of time because we're going to airport. And we need to be there earlier kasi we have 2 cats with us on travel. Wala, parang kasama ako. We have to meet the vet team in the airport to do some preparation for the cats on travels. Yan. And then some more documents. Ay, ang sarap pala mag-English. Grabe. Yeah. Nakakahawa si Madam Dex, promise. So I will try, guys, the burger combo, that big one. Must try daw. So I have to try the beef burger. Pero I choose the single patty kasi medyo it's super big. Ano hinahanap mo dyan? Sino tinitingnan mo dyan?
Last look.
Okay, fine. I'll give you the chance. Enjoy the moment. Oh, saan ka titingin dito? Ayan, oh, last look. Highway. Ayan, oh. Diyan yung mga building na yan. May mga memories ka. Hi, life. Say bye to them. Okay. Thank you. Lunch is ready. Oop, yeah. Okay, guys, lunch is ready. Oh, American people kami kaya burger lang. Oh, diba? So let's eat, guys, and enjoy the day. Okay, guys, we have to taste kasi kailangan ng review. Ikaw, anong findings mo sa'yo? Yummy?
Alam mo naman ako, wala problema sa pagkain.
Okay. The patty is good. So guys, you have to visit Peritos Flame.
Juicy
Sarap.
siya, juicy.
Yeah, juicy. Tsaka yung ano nila, yung fries nila masarap, crunchy. Hindi yung tipong kahit mainit, pag kinagat mo parang rubber. So, let's eat na, guys, ha. Hi guys, this is it. Alis na kami. Ito yung katabi ko na yung mga bubuit. Hindi kita. Yan. Ayan yung nanay. We're now on the way to the Terminal 3. You're okay there, baby. Hunter, Cookie. I'm gonna miss you guys.
That's only 500. So in Facebook, take it.
This cat coming to the Philippines,
But
Arabic.
I have a big one, not this one. My yeah, it's cat,
Bye,
but
Lulu.
my white.
Ah, why? I don't do blindness.
Long time I have again.
Yes, Cookie. How are you, Cookie? Hunter, why you're so sad? Sleepy, Hunter? Yeah, because you wake up all day night.
Going now. I'm coming to Albasa here. I'm already take work.
This is it! Pansit! Cannot stop na. Unstoppable na. Ayan na. Ready na. All set. Bago yung iba dyan. So, wala na. This is it na talaga. What to do? Ayoko. Wow, they have their own blanket. Mashallah.
Don't go out.
Or they were run.
Hawak namin ng mga babies. Oh, dan ko. Oh, kasi inaayos yung inaayos pa yung kanilang room for travel. You see, yeah, they have own beddings. Mashallah. Don't move, Cookie. Shh, babe. See?
No.
They also have mama's towel inside, oh. See? Cookie. Bye. I'm gonna miss you, Cookie. Too much people, Cookie? Hunter. Look at me, Hunter. We're not going on a check-in. Yan. Si-check-in namin muna kasi yung animals, yung mga cats, kailangan mapasok sila at first. May humabol, may humabol. Thank you, Tol. Humabol ka. Ayan. Kala ko ako lang mag-isang ngal-ngal. Joke. Kanina pa kaya ako na... They're not checking in, guys. Thank God, everything is fine. They can travel safe. May picture taking pa sila. And now delivering the pets into the check-in area. Hey, bye-bye, Cookie. And now preparing for them to travel. Bye-bye, Cookie. Oh, bye-bye, Cookie. Bye-bye, Hunter. I'm gonna miss you.
Bye-bye.
Safe travel, baby. Oh, they just...
So I cannot see him. I cannot see him.
Oh, bye-bye. I'm gonna miss you, Cookie. My Cookie baby.
Okay, brother.
This is it, Pansit. Okay, sir. I'm going to give you a chance to promote so that they will see you.
Hi
Okay.
everyone, I'm Mike from Fuzzy Friends Pet Services. We would like to show you our services. So if you have any requirement or any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.
Follow them on Facebook, Fuzzy Friends. Thank you, sir. Thank you
Thank
for
you po.
everything. Okay, guys. If you need some documents or for traveling your pets, this is Mr. Mike. You can call them in their Facebook. You can search in the Facebook Fuzzy Friends. Contact them and inquire for more details. Okay, guys. Thank you. So now tapos na ang aming mission sa aming mga baby cats. So nga, may upo lang kami, waiting na naman kami for the next procedure. Yung flight, punta sa gate. Yan. Okay, natulog na sila? Ayan na, banding na silang dalawa. Pero nisplay ano niya? Ito na, ayan na, oh. Ito na ang moment. Ay, papasok ka na ba?
Oo, kasi ayoko.
Oh, yan na, paalaman time. Alas 3. 3 o'clock.
Malayo-layo po, sasakay pa akong tren dito.
Ah, ganun ba? O, sige na pa, bye. Bye na, sis. Oh, Joey, may
Pasok ka na.
Oh, my God.
Binidyohan mo na ba ako? Sabay ka na.
Ano, final round? Final round natin? Yan. Agad! Go! Sisit na, going to the gate. The gate will bring her to the bird. Hi, life. Ganun talaga. Ayoko umiyak ha. Walang iyakan. Hihi. Gate for reality na tayo, sis. Diyos ko, Lord. Pakabait ka doon. Ayoko umiyak. Ako'y... Bye, sis. Malapit na rin. Umiyak. Sige na. Ay, nako, sis. Ayan na. Gate to reality ka na.
Obvious naman.
Ayan na. Gate to reality. Hanggang dito na lang ako. I-zoom na lang kita. Nga, sis. Love you. Love you, Besh. Time to go home. Nahatid na ang dapat mahatid. So we're now here in Metro. So where we go? Okay, we're here. Ito na lang, may humabol. May kasama ako. Uuwi. Ang dami ko pa naman bet-bet. Ito pang bag ko. Ay, naku, dahil ko pa nagbakasyon ng mahaba.
The train to Center Point will depart from platform 1.
Yan. Wala pa yung air namin. So, guys, ay, till next paghahatid, wag naman sana. Ayoko nang naghahatid ng airport. Lalo na pag mga special na tao, mga close friend, ayoko. Nako-cry ako. So, for now, bye-bye. Wait nyo na lang ako sa next time. Wala pa yung metro. Wala pa yung train. I mean, ayan. So, before the day ends, so time to say thank you so much, guys, for joining me in my video. So, see you next time. Till next video. Bye-bye.